Hello students, very good morning. Today is our GK class, General Knowledge, and we will study the lesson number 5. You all have completed up to lesson number 4, Indian National Symbols. Today we will study My Country, India. This is the information. How well do you know your country? Try these questions and learn more. These are some questions. Do you know the answers of this? Let us study. In which year did India win independence? In which year we got independence? In 1947. So, we will highlight this box with the help of pencil. Okay? See. Next is, which of these tourist towns is in the foothills of the Himalayas? On the foothills of Himalayas, which is the tourist town? Simla, Mount Abu or Ooty? Ooty is in Tamil Nadu. Mount Abu is in Rajasthan. And Simla, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is in Himalayas. So, our answer will be Simla. So, we have to highlight it. Okay. Which state is known as the land of spices? Which state is the land of spices? Kerala. Kerala is the land of spices. Which of this is not a river? You know the Yamuna river, Godavari river, but Kailash is not the river. It is the mountain. Kailash. It is not the river. The temple town of Tirupati is in this state. Most of you have been to the Tirupati. So, where is Tirupati situated? Yes, it is situated in Andhra Pradesh. Kerala Blasters is a team that plays this sport. Kerala Blasters, it is the team who plays football. Among these people, which one is not a singer? You all must have been knowing Shreya Ghoshal, Sonu Nigam are the singers, but Amit Mishra is not a singer. So, we will highlight Amit Mishra. Who among these gentlemen was the first president of the country? Who is the first president of the country? It is Rajendra Prasad. Which of these countries is not our neighbor country? Neighbor country? Japan is very far from our India. Myanmar and Sri Lanka are our neighboring countries. So, Japan is not a neighboring country. Which of these food items is also the name for a type of deer? Sambar, dosa, idli. Which is the name similar to the name of deer? Sambar. Sambar is the one type of deer. Okay. Now, here is the find the tallest and the heaviest. Color all the spaces marked A in green, B in brown, C in gray, D in yellow, E in blue, and C what you get. We have to color according to the alphabets given here. See, here A is there, so in A you have to do green color. See, wherever A is written you have to color with green color. Here also in B alphabet you have to brown. See, here also B is there. And C alphabet gray. Here C is there. D yellow. Where is D? Yes, can you see? See here. D is given here. Okay, find out these alphabets and color it accordingly.